AI and ChatGPT for cost accountants, chartered accountants and company secretary. Are you a CMA, CA or CS constantly juggling Excel sheets, reconciliations, and lengthy reports? What if I told you there's a way to cut down 5+ hours of repetitive work every week, without hiring anyone new? In this video, I'll show you how to start using ChatGPT, your new AI assistant, to work smarter, not harder. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is a tool built by OpenAI that understands your text-based instructions, called prompts, and responds with human-like output. Think of it like a super smart assistant that can draft reports, analyze data, write SOPs, and even help with your emails. It doesn't just Google things. It actually understands patterns, context, and structure, something every professional can benefit from. We cost accountants often deal with tons of documentation, cost sheets, MIS reports, audit plans, variance analysis. All of this takes time and attention to detail. With ChatGPT, you can delegate the first draft of most of this work to AI. For example, ask it to draft a cost sheet for a manufacturing unit, or generate an audit checklist, or summarize sales data into 5 key takeaways. It's like having a junior analyst who works 24/7, instantly. Let me show you some real examples you can try today. Prompt 1. Create a cost sheet for a furniture manufacturing company. Prompt 2. Summarize this monthly sales report and list key insights. Prompt 3. Create an internal audit checklist for inventory. Prompt 4. Draft an SOP for the procurement process. All of these are real-world tasks. And now you can do them in minutes, not hours. Now, let's talk about what ChatGPT can't do yet. It can't access your ERP or Tally unless you connect it through another tool. It's not a final authority. It gives you the first draft. And yes, you still need to verify the content for accuracy and context. So don't worry. It's not replacing you. It's supporting you. In the next module, we'll dive into how to automate your MIS reports and build a reporting assistant using prompts. So, if you're excited to save more time and reduce manual effort, stick around. Practice them and apply them in your work. And don't forget to subscribe or follow this series, because we're just getting started. This is not the future. This is your new workflow. See you in the next video.